I had to restart the stream. I saw some people message me. Oh yeah, Empires. Yeah, I saw your message when I was restarting the stream. Appreciate you hopping in though. How y'all doing today though? Dang. But you still ended up green though. Okay, that's not too bad. As long as it was an eval. Hey man, that's what gets you, man. Just trying to get a little bit more and make you lose everything. And that's how it is, bro. You could go weeks like following your plan, and all it takes is one day, bro. One day for you to blow it off. You know, I knew there was news today, but I didn't even know like it was around this time. I'm looking at the calendar now. I don't know why I thought it was all this morning. But nah, we about to have something in like 45 minutes, then an hour and 15 minutes. FOMC, dang. How do we play this? Maybe we get a move before that starts. I usually don't like trading news, honestly. But maybe we can get some type of setup before, be in and out. So y'all know the setups I'm usually looking for. We have the lunch high and lunch low. We're sweeping the lunch high right now. So we're gonna see how this acts from here. See if this could bring us lower. I mean, we weren't just going straight up today, which I like. Still was a little bit more bullish than I was expecting, but it chilled out. So now we have some structure below us and a little bit of structure above us, but I want to focus on what's below us because we've already taken out like the PM high from yesterday, and we keep coming back and taking out the Asia high from last night. We're like trading above it right now a little bit, but let's see. But the fact that we did leave like this lunch low and this PM low down here untouched, it's kind of making me a little weary about it. It's like that was enough for it. At least for right now. Let's see how this 1 minute candle that's printing right now prints. And if we could stay like full, keeping full candles like this, I would like to see like a pullback into this and then maybe get in. So I'm waiting for some type of pullback, but if we come down here and then get the pullback, I'm kind of not really thinking of trying to get short after that if we pull back into this 5-minute fair value gap, because you see we only tapped into it a little bit. So we're probably going to get buyers once we tap into here again. So didn't give us the pullback. I mean, I might still like it if we pull back up here, depending on how aggressive this buying is. But if this just goes straight to lunch low, that's crazy. Dang. So we should have just sold as soon as it went over the lunch high, it looks like. We never even got a tap back. Like, I usually like to get in on the inverted. It decided to use this inverted fair value gap down here. I mean, I wanted to go short. And here we are. Wow. Hey, that's good. Hey, at least you were in profit. Well, I'm hope some people got in on that. That's what I was waiting for. But I definitely was expecting it to come up above the New York lunch high a little bit more. Or for us to at least get a pullback into this inverted one. but he used this one down here. But it's all good. We might be able to get another entry. I'm going to watch this 5 minute. And then again, I said if we did kind of come all the way down here before and we start like getting bullish pressure, I don't know about the shorts all the way, because this 5 minute, we're in a 5 minute fair value gap right now. We still have 2 minutes in this 5 minute candle. And a lot of times when they, I don't know, I'll be realizing when they be pushing like this real fast and still have a lot of time, it just comes down here and then leaves a big wick at the bottom. That may or may not happen, but we'll see. If that does happen, I don't know about how much more short this would go. And I'm saying if this 5 minute candle comes all the way back up and closes towards the top of this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, so the 5 minutes still closed below that 5 minute fair value gap. So might try and get one when we tap into that. Hey, what's going on, Magic Trader? So like I was saying, I would have liked to get in with this tap back in, but the risk just doesn't make sense right now just to go to the New York lunch low. And then I would, we could come down and maybe hit this PM low at some point, but we're rejecting from this 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm kind of in limbo. I'm not trading I'm not gonna trade FOMC, but I don't think they have any issues with news trading. But with my trade day account, I can't trade the news. Well, I mean, you can't trade 2 minutes before or 2 minutes after. Like you have to wait 2 minutes after the news drops, and you can't be in a trade 2 minutes before it drops either. And that's what trade day. Top Step, I don't think they have any rules when it comes to news. Is that really a rule at Top Step? No face tattoos? Oh yeah, I forgot you told me about that. Okay. It's frozen right now? Can you hear me? Okay, cool. Think I'm gonna try some shorts around here because we did dig up into it a little bit more. I'll just put my stop like right above here. But if we really start just trading through this fair value gap up towards that, then I feel like it's done anyways. So we did get like some bullish pressure up, and then we did leave a 1 minute fair value gap behind. But again, like I was telling you, we are trading like in this inverted area and everything. So hopefully this can push us down a decent amount. So I really would like for us to take the New York PM low all the way down here at 26,150, but I don't know if we'll get that today. But I'm hoping maybe we can at least come down to this New York lunch low, fill this gap, and then maybe it might turn back around and start being bullish again. I'm not saying that it'll go all the way up or wherever, but yeah, see, and now we got buyers in that 1 minute fair value gap that I was talking about below that we created to push back into this 5 minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, there's no worries. Yeah, so it looks like we're probably going to be going up higher for a little bit because we disrespected this 5 minute fair value gap that we created. And we had this 5 minute candle close outside of it. This candle looks like it's coming back to try and test it, but it's probably over it just because of where we closed. That's what I'm thinking. So now we're right back up to the Asia high. Like this is pretty much where Asia high is, this price point. Discord. Man, this thing just leaves me behind. But all right. So I just posted that the free giveaway. I know a lot of y'all are probably already hip to it, but it's in the Discord. I'm giving away a free 50-day trade day account, and then I'm also giving away a free Lucid account. I'm more than likely about to go short here, guys. So I'm gonna just put my stop at the high of this 1 minute candle, and we'll kind of see how this plays out for us. Maybe now. Now I'm looking at the 5 minute, and I see what happened actually. We inverted this higher 5 minute candle, and this is like the pullback to tap into that. So I probably won't get in short. Sorry, I lost my train of thought, but yeah, I'm doing that giveaway. So the trade day one, you guys have like 2 more days to enter. I'm stopping that on the 31st, and then I'll start running the Lucid giveaway after that, and then y'all could check Lucid out. I think I haven't seen One Stop Trader in here a little bit, but I know he uses Lucid, and there's this 1 day to pass. It's kind of similar to Tradeify as far as like getting payouts. Is 5 days of, well, theirs is 100, and I think Tradeify is 150, so it's a little bit better. Yeah, so now that we're like 10 minutes away from the news, I'm locking out my trade day account because I won't be able to. Well, I just don't want to even be thinking about it, so I'll just be using my top step right here. So I would have liked this push down, but we still. So whenever you have these fair value gaps and there's like this little gap in between some of the candles, you got to use the whole top of that candle. So like instead of using the wick on this, you got to use the body since there's a space in between both of the bodies on these two candles. So I'm saying that because this candle came and then closed right back up above where the gap would technically be. If I zoom in, you kind of see what I'm talking about. Like this is the true fair value gap whenever we have a gap in between candles. You got to do the body to the you don't have to do the body of the previous one, but the body of the one that the gap is with. So that right there is the true fair value gap for that point. And you see that pushed us right back up. Yo, what's going on, man? Yeah, this week has been kind of crazy. I should have been sitting on my hands more this week too with the way price action has been, but you know, I think I know more than the market sometimes. Kind of liking these shorts from here. I think I'm gonna try one more, and then that's gonna be it for today. but I gotta remember the news is about to drop. Yeah, I just remembered. I'm sure this is probably just some type of pullback to get those news traders in there. But yeah, I still think we probably still got room to the top. Just gonna take what I can on this. Yeah, that bad boy's coming back up. Oh dang, I should have stayed in that. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I see. No, so I did make the right decision. It did just push down a little bit, so I thought that thing was on the go. But I think we're good where we're at. Not like in these type of environments, it's harder for me to hold my trades for like long moves, man. Because as you can see, we're not really getting much right now. They're going crazy right now. So they did tap into this fair value gap that I was talking about. This like 5 minute one that was up here. But let's see, they're going crazy right now. This is wild. This is why we're not in trades when this happens, when news is dropping. And I think this is the first time we really had news since like that whole government thing, huh? The government shutdown. Isn't this the first real news day we had for real? Two nines, 29875. Yeah, that's right at the top of this bad boy. And you see, that's why we can't trade. We have to wait 2 minutes after, because you see, it's literally 2 minutes and it chilled out. But they don't let us trade those first 2 minutes at trade day, which is cool though. Like one thing I like about trade day, the other day when was that yesterday, I was trying to go short, and I like logged off, so I like pulled my phone back up, and I was able to get in shorts. And trade day, they let you trade an extra hour, like versus Top Step, because I think Top Step stops right at 4, and trade day gives you till 5. The thing's out of there without us. The markets can't pick a direction, low key. So I did get one short through all that movement, and we got some candle closures. We disrespected some fair value gaps and then started getting some taps back into it. So that's what made me get in this position right that you see me in right now. Um, I mean, I would love for us to come take this New York PM low. Are we gonna get that though? This 1 minute candle closes like this. I'm just closing this bad boy out. Don't want to see the bodies come back up here. Looked good. Yeah, I'm over it. Oh, I made some money though. Or did I? Yeah, I did. I was down like 1200, right? Yeah, I'm overall bearish too, and it's just a lot of stuff going on right now. So that's why it's just like, dang. And you could tell, like, for me looking at this, I could tell it's trying to go short. It seems like, you know what I mean? Like, we went all the way up here. You look at this 15-minute chart, like, bodies stopping completely under the New York Lynch high. We even shot up there, still came back down. So it's like it doesn't want to go any higher, but you know, we're doing the same thing now at the New York Lynch low. We didn't go and sweep it, but we came down there and then rejected back up into the range. So possibly just consolidating, or it wants to wait for that 230 news. And, that's a FOMC meeting, right? Not just it's not minutes. Yeah, it's the actual statement. Oh no, the FOMC statement and the press conference. Yeah. Yeah, it might be done for today, guys. Like, I'm not gonna sit through. I don't sit there and wait for them to finish talking. I just go about my day. Yeah, and especially if the way this 15 minute, if it just ends like this, I'm good for the day because we'll probably just consolidate. Okay. Yeah, my target would be, I would be trying to hit 150, 26 150 for that New York PM low. But I think we'll only take that if we're flipping bearish for real. Like, this might stay solid if we're still bullish. Tempted to get in the short right here, but it just looks like we just stalling out for real. So it looks like I would have been good to kind of add in that if I wanted to do just like a quick scalp. I'm not interested in quick scalps. I'm trying to like want this PM low down here. Now with the way that the previous 15-minute close, I kind of like it a little bit more because we did close a little bit lower than these previous candles. Well, one previous one, this other one over here was still kind of around it. But I do like that we came up above the New York Lynch high, closed below the high, and started pushing down from there. But you know, I'm just weary because we have the news. 14 minutes, they're about to start talking, and I'm just not even going to trade while they're talking. And I feel like when they're talking, that's probably what's going to push us all the way down to this PM low. Still within this. I mean, it's 15-minute consolidation, also 5-minute consolidation, and you see we're pushing right back up inside the range. All of this is what we're stuck in right now. But we got news coming up, so this is more than likely what's driving this to do all of this. But yeah, so like I said, I'm giving away the free trade day account and a free Lucid account that's in the Discord. Y'all go ahead, go to the announcements, and then follow the steps. Right now we're just doing trade day, and then we'll do Lucid after that. But I just want to make sure I keep seeing more and more people pop in the room, so I just want to repeat that. The link is pinned to the top of the chat, and yeah, y'all gonna hear me say that a couple times just because I want to make sure everybody gets something. I was trying to do something with my funded futures, but I guess I gotta wait. They told me I need to build my stuff up a little bit more. But I know that a lot of people overseas like my funded futures, so that's why I was trying to do something with them and see if I could do a giveaway with them. But right now, no. And then if y'all know any other prop firms that work well with overseas traders, like if some of y'all like some, I know you guys have told me my funded futures, I don't know anything else other than that. But if y'all know anything else, let me know and I'll reach out to them and see if I could get some accounts for a giveaway or something. Yeah, but this is definitely not the trading environment I'm trying to be in. Just like, look at these 15-minute candles. We're going nowhere. We want to go short. I want to be short, but it's just not happening. All right, guys. Yeah, so I was hoping we probably could get a little bit of movement before the 2:30. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today. Just because I know when they start talking, it's gonna make it even crazier. So I'm not even gonna try and participate. But yeah. So mentioned the Discord already for the giveaway. 2 more days before the trade day one. I'll be back on it tomorrow. I'll be a little bit more active in the chat these next couple of days. I've been kind of tied up, but now I should be freed up again. What's going on, SB? But but yeah. Other than that, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day, man. I don't really want to sit through the press conference. As y'all can tell, I don't like sitting in front of my computer for too long. But yeah. So yeah, I said I'll catch y'all tomorrow. The Discord is in the link if you guys haven't joined already. SB, you can hit me up in the Discord. Hey, let's get it. Congrats. And who is that with again? Are you with My Funded Futures? Okay, bet. Yeah. I was trying to partner with them to do some type of giveaway. I was just talking about that, but I'm gonna see what I can do. And are there any other prop firms that you like that allow you to trade in in your country? Oh, okay, okay, cool. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to find some prop firms um that other prop firms like restrict their countries. I want to see ones that allow those ones that are restricted. But I don't know if they're restricted with one. I don't know if they'll be restricted with most of them, but we'll see. But all right, gang. Yeah, that's it for me. Type said Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I've been looking at Take Profit Trader too. Okay, cool. But all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a good one. Good luck out there. Keep that risk management on point. Remember, the press conference is starting now. It just started a minute ago, so y'all be careful. I'm not gonna trade right now, so I'm gonna just chill out. I'll just wait till tomorrow. But all right, guys, y'all have a good one.